Yo, what is up? Welcome to DCA Adventure. I'm your host Jay, back again with a midweek cryptocurrency market update. If you love my content, please like, subscribe, smash that bell for notifications. Super appreciate it. And you guys don't want to miss when I go live, right? Trading is very risky. I am not your financial advisor, so don't be trading with money you are not willing to lose. You guys know the spiel. Trading everywhere: Bybit, Pionex, Coinbase, Binance, PancakeSwap. Links for some of those will be in the description. There is a link down there for 3 commas. Don't use that link no more, guys. Actually, I'm going to have Mikkel take that off there. They did have a breach and some APIs got leaked. So not good for 3 commas, so we'll be taking that one off there. But definitely take advantage of all the other deposit bonuses by using the links, because you guys will get free money. Basically, you'll get to trade for free with 0 deposit fees by earning the bonus money. And some of the exchanges are allowing you to withdraw the bonus money as well. So go check that out. If you're interested in stocks, check out Firstrade. Sweet mobile app I've been using. $0 deposit. Just sign up, do your KYC. You will get a free stock. Trade that shitty stock for some crypto. They are trading crypto for 0 trading fees over on Firstrade. Again, link in the description for that. If you guys are wanting to know what I'm drinking on when I'm looking at my charts, when I'm doing my trading, figuring out my trading plan, well, then you guys need to get on over to DogeLord.com. All kinds of different flavors of coffee going on over there. What is up, Crypto Technology? Appreciate you for stopping in, brother. What up, DogeLord Coffee? How you doing, bro, Ham? Automatic Beats, what up? How you doing? Let's jump right on over into CoinGecko, my super duper favorite place to look at the overall cryptocurrency market. You guys can see Bitcoin is up 1.8% for the week, coming in at $16,847. Ethereum making moves at 5.6% in the green, coming in at $1,255. BNB's making moves as well, 5.7% in the green, coming in at $257 for the week. Big milestone, guys. Closing of the yearly candle. We'll definitely take a look at the yearly chart. Look at the doom and gloom. Definitely not good in my opinion. There's quite a few bearish things to talk about. We're gonna see green days, you guys. Days like this, short these tops. That's what I'm doing. We're in a bear market. We shouldn't be trying too long or do anything of the sort right now. I mean, it's a lot riskier too. You can, but the risk is way higher than trying to nail down these shorts. Easier to short in the bear market, easier to long in the bull market. Get YouTube back up here. What up, Golden Wolf? Appreciate you, brother. Oh no. DogeLordCoffee.com. That's what I said, didn't I? DogeLordCoffee.com, not DogeLord.com. Yeah, DogeLordCoffee.com. And the site is down for maintenance and updates. Oh no. Not good. Content creators can message me for password access while site is closed to the public. Good to know that. I am about out of coffee, so I am going to need to make an order. How you doing, Golden Wolf? You be careful driving, brother. That's right, Automatic Beats. I like that tag. Super FA. Solana, you guys see Solana took a nice little move. I take it had to do with the airdrop of Bonk token. So if you have a Phantom wallet and you use Sol, check out the Bonk airdrop. You should have some in there. Mikkel posted about it in the DeFi Degens in the DCA Discord. Link for the DCA Discord, you guys, is in the description. Go join up. All kinds of free content there. And if you're looking for that locked super secret content behind the closed doors, you guys need to join that Patreon group. Join my tier Trading with View, and by doing so, you're going to get access to all the DCA trading tools made exclusively for the Patreons, and you're also going to get access to the locked trading channel where we're posting trades, signals, what, when, and why we are trading. And there's all kinds of different tiers. There's mining tiers, there's build your brand tiers, there's a lot of stuff going on in there. So check it out, you guys. 25 bucks a month. Pretty good deal with all the stuff that you guys get. But yeah, definitely check out Sol, Phantom wallets. I did post in the live chat, you guys, right at the beginning, a referral link for gonnamakeit.com. GMI airdrop. Now they are partnered with NRG, Energy Token. Now Energy Token was one of the biggest airdrops that I have ever participated in my crypto journey. So them partnering with GMI makes it pretty legit in my book. Energy's been around for quite a long time. Been trading them. Their Discord's awesome. You guys can go in there and earn Energy Token. Energy Token's like 15 or 20 cents. We'll chart it tonight. But you can earn energy every second that you're in that Discord. It's insane. You can really rack up the money just by going in and participating. So for the link, I'll grab it one more time and post it. See if it'll let me. Nope, I'll have to grab it later. Scroll up to the very top of the live chat if you guys want that link. It is up there. Let's jump right on over to TradingView. This is where I do all of my technical analysis, and as you can see, I do have the Bonk token brought up right here. But we're gonna start out with the old Bizity Bitcoin. We're gonna go down to the daily. We're gonna start off small, and we'll work our way up to that yearly chart. This is what we had drawn in last week. Now, as you guys can see, pretty conflicting things are going on here. One, we got the oscillator bottomed. You know, it's down here towards the bottom, towards the oversold area. So this means, you know, that Bitcoin's probably going to start making some up moves. So we did get the momentum wave come up. But if we look at the candles and we look at the price action, we're talking support, we're talking resistance, we're talking moving averages. We have them right there. So we drew this pattern in. And if you guys are pattern trading, then we know that we're not trading inside the pattern. But let's just hypothetically take away this top line, get rid of that. We're going to keep our nice bottom trend line. We've been respecting this pretty good with Bitcoin. As you guys can see, that we were under the 21 and 50-day moving average. Those are acting as resistance when price action's under them. We tested them quite a few times. Finally was able to break above. What's interesting is we did get a close above both the 50 and 21. We closed above it. We closed right around 16,800. So we did just start the new daily candle a couple hours ago. We got 21 hours, 52 minutes. So literally, you know, almost 3 hours ago, we started this new daily candle. So far, we are still above the 21 and 50. Now, that's very bullish that we closed above those moving averages. We want this next daily candle. We want to close. This will be our confirmation candle. So in the next 21 hours, guys, 22 hours, we can get a close above 16.8. Be watching for that next little jump up to the 17,000. Got quite a few layers in here from, you know, 16.9 to 17.2. So in between there's going to be another hiccup for Bitcoin. We're going to want to watch it do a stair step, right? We want to see it break up above that area, come back, make support, break up to the next area, come back, make support, so on and so forth. In a picture perfect world of Bitcoin continuing to go up. But mind you guys, this is on the daily chart. So anything could possibly happen here. We're going to extend this trend line out a little bit. Now, what we don't want to happen is a close or a breakdown below the 21 and 50. If we closed below the 21 and 50, right around 16.7, 16.8, and we do not respect the support of the 16.2, yeah, no, 16,600 down to 16.5. If we get a close below the 16.5, we're definitely going to see a much bigger breakdown. I'll probably get all the way down to that 15.5 would be the next little hiccup, next little support area that we might stop and take a breather on. But I still feel, you guys, we're going to hit that freaking 12 to 14,000. And that's going to be right in the next little area down here. Whoa, what are you doing, Circle? TradingView has been pretty buggy today. Every time I've used it, stuff is not working right the way it should. And I'm dealing with a bout of vertigo. I'm so dizzy and nauseous, it's ridiculous. And getting really tired of feeling like this. Wouldn't wish it on my worst enemy, that's for sure. If anybody has ever had vertigo, you know what I'm talking about. You're kind of halfway in, halfway out of your body. It feels like you're kind of watching yourself do everything. Very weird, and I don't like it. And I have supposedly the kind that you cannot get rid of. So, you know, I've tried the exercises, I've tried all kinds of different things. Basically, I'm just not supposed to do the things that can cause it, like tip my head upside down or be in any kind of weird position where it jostles my head around. It seems like if I get tipped upside down or I move my head weird, 3 or 4 days afterwards, I'll be nauseous and sick feeling. Now, I'm an all-position welder, so you could imagine that I'm getting myself in some weird positions quite often. And I think that's the reason why I'm sick. I did a lot of overhead welding yesterday, and it just got me feeling not right, you know what I mean? We did draw this in last week, though. Down to 10.9 is possible area, and it's we're making a huge bear flag, you guys. Huge bear flag on the daily. I can't get any more picture perfect, and we've been doing these over and over. You can see the other ones that we drew in last week. The pattern's been happening over and over and over again. So keep your heads on a swivel. Don't be getting excited about the pumps. Don't think that we're going right back to the moon and we're going to set an all-time high. It's not in the books right now, you guys. We're not even close. We're not even close. This is just a cool down period from going down. You know, Bitcoin's not going to go straight down. We're gonna keep doing this stair step and bullshit like we've been doing. So just be patient here. If you're leverage trading, we're whacking these shorts every time it happens. So if we break resistance here, we break this, we're going short immediately. We're going to take the short leverage position and we're going to ride it down to the next big area of support. So watch, within the next 24 hours we're gonna see our confirmation whether it's gonna respect support and take on the next area of resistance, or if we're not gonna respect support and we're gonna break back down. So definitely watch at least a break back down to the bottom of the trend line, right around the 16.6, 16.550, and then be watching at that area for a breakdown again below there. And then, you know, obviously if we break down below, we want a confirmation candle. So if we break this trend line around the 1650, we want to get a daily closing candle below it before we take our short, right? But in my honest opinion, I think we're probably going to break down here. We're going to break under the trend line, and then this area now becomes resistance. So we're going to go ahead and draw our box in. We'll put our tags in there. So in my opinion, what I think is going to happen is we are going to break down below. We're going to get a couple closing candles. We're going to come back and test as resistance. We're going to respect it. We're going to come down here. We're probably going to bounce around here for a second, and then we're going to break below this. And then we're going to fall all the way to this little ass area like I told you right over here. That's right around the 14,000 area. Probably dick around here for a little bit, zigzag around, make another huge big bear flag pattern again, and then down to the next level. And that next level is this red line that we got here, right around the 10, 9, 11,000. What up, Tech Man? How you doing, brother? Hope all is well. Sounds like DMT. What's DMT? Is that a token? Oh, let's jump over to the weekly real quick. Get rid of these crayon drawings. Now, next week when we come back to do the Bitcoin chart, all of our drawings are going to be gone. So hopefully we can remember what we said. I'm sure we'll have a little bit of something here for the weekly. We'll just leave it up on there. But as you can see on the weekly, again, making a nice bear flag pattern. They're picture perfect, you guys. It's been happening over and over. Boom. These tend to break down. So we do got that 21 week at the 16.8. Now remember 16.8. That was an important area over on the daily. We are on the weekly now, but that 16.8 is at that 21 week moving average. Looking left on that chart, finding the story. Got a shitload of resistance over there. Old support is new resistance to the right of the chart. We'll go ahead and throw a box up there. That way make it a little bit more visible. Make it a little bit more understanding, right? Boom, we'll go up just a little bit above that 21 week moving average. So we'll go ahead and put our tags in. So the bottom of that resistance box is going to be at the 17,400-ish. And the top of the box is going to be 19,281. Now this is on a weekly. Possible that we get back into the 20,000s, 22,000s. I think we're going to go down before we go back up, though. I think we'll probably we'll hit that 12 to 14 and possibly even 10, and I think we'll bottom in between the 10 and 14 area. Somewhere's in there, you guys. We're going to get our bottom. We're going to trade sideways for who knows how long. It could be weeks, could be months, it could be years. We could be trading sideways in a range between, you know, 10 to 20,000 and just be back and forth before we actually set up for a bull run. So don't just think we're going to go straight down, bottom out at these areas, and then it's automatic bull run time, right? Even though when we do finally find our bottom, usually after bottom, right, we just steady sideways stair step our way back up. So once the moving averages happen the way they need to happen, things are going to go a lot better. Now, I told you guys, it's been over a month ago, I was telling you about the weekly death cross on Bitcoin, where the 50-week moving average crosses underneath that 200-week moving average. As you guys can see, we are a hell of a lot closer now. It is going to happen. I do believe they are converging. Now, if we just pretend like we're going to stay on the same trajectory that they're going. Whoops. Here we go. See if... Hopefully I didn't paste that on there 15,000 times. Yep, I did. Redraw that box. Alright, so if we just stay on the same trajectory, and we're just going to kind of guesstimate here, and come down like this, and then the 200 week is going to come boop boop boo. So somewhere's around Monday, February 23. Monday on the 20th February. So be watching for this to happen, you guys. It could happen Sunday, it could happen Tuesday. It doesn't necessarily have to happen on Monday. We're just kind of getting a guesstimation right here at what is possible. We normally pump before we dump, right, you guys? So it's very, very possible that as these moving averages are converging on each other, we get to pump up to that 21-week moving average right around 18.5, 18.6. Okay, and that'll probably be right close to where we get our cross at. So be watching there for a rejection. I'm definitely going to be placing a short leverage position Also, for looking left on the chart, we can pull this box even more across. Look at how perfectly it lines up with these other areas of old support, old resistance. So this is definitely going to be an area for Bitcoin to beat. Jumping over to the yearly real quick and show you guys the yearly candle. First time in Bitcoin history on the yearly candle, on the yearly chart, have we printed a bearish engulfing candle. What is a bearish engulfing candle? It's when we get a green candle and then the next candle pretty much engulfs the entire body of the candle, which happened here. So this is pretty much a trend reversal is what this means. Maybe it'll look a little different if we look at it on BLX. BLX is Brave New Liquid Index for Bitcoin. It's pulling all kinds of oracles. Not too much more information. But yeah, see, we got a nice big bearish engulfing candle here. This is very super bearish, you guys. Definitely means trend reversal. So we've been pumping up forever. And boom, we get this bearish. Now, just because it printed does not mean that it's going to follow suit in the next couple candles. Could be bearish. But just want you guys to be aware that it happened, and just want you to know that this could affect the next 2 to 3 candles. The next 2 to 3 candles is the next 2 to 3 years. So keep this in mind. What is up, Hassan? How you doing, brother? Appreciate you for stopping in, my friend. Hope all is well. Hope you had a good holiday. Got the funniest sense of humor, dude. Yeah, your posts that every day are making me laugh out loud. Hilarious, the stuff you're posting. So just remember on Bitcoin, you guys, we did get this bearish engulfing. Now, with the new yearly candle printed, it is green. So looking at the yearly, 28.6 is going to be like the first big significant area of resistance. But it'll be a while before we go back up there. We got to get through, remember, the daily and the weekly show of all the shit and chaos we got going on here with death crosses on the weekly and all that good stuff. So just keep this in mind while you're trading Bitcoin. We're not ready for bull market yet. Still got a little bit. Gonna take a look at good old Ethereum. I don't like it, but we'll look at it anyways, because I know that you guys like it. Here's a bunch of crayon drawings we drew last week. Let's get rid of some of this stuff. It's a little noisy. Let's get rid of it all. Redraw some stuff. So we'll put us a trend line back in here. Nice trend we've been following. Been respecting this trend line pretty dang good on Ethereum. You could probably stretch it out this big if you wanted to and drop it down. Guess we could do that. No, I like it better like this. Boom. Get a little bit better of a trend in here. We're going to draw a breakout pattern. See what we can come up with. Nice. I like it. I like it. This is a very nice pattern. Again, just like Bitcoin doing. Nice bear flag formation going on here. You got your flagpole. You got your flag. What up, Gundy? How you doing, bro? Ham? We did get a bearish cross. The 50-day crossed over the 21. So normally when these happen, you guys, were on the bearish crosses. We're pumping before we're dumping. So we did get a nice little pump. Now we're hitting resistance, and we're hitting a significant area of resistance on Ethereum, and that's in the areas. We could even probably stretch that up there to that 200-day. Yes, we can. We'll put our tabs on. So the bottom of this resistance box where we're testing right now is at 1251. The top of the box is going to be right around 1385. So it's good that Bitcoin got, or a good Ethereum got over the 21 and 50-day moving averages. Now we did get a daily closing candle. We just started the next one, so Just like Bitcoin chart, we'd like to see another daily close above these moving averages to start taking on this box of resistance. Get a close up inside of here, respect it as support, and then we're going to go up, to the 1320s and try to close as support there until we get up to this 200, right around that 1385. I'd probably be looking for a rejection there. That'd be a pretty big ass run for Ethereum to do, so I would assume it would reject there. It's probably going to reject and break down here more than anything, and watch this breakout pattern. So if we break the bottom of the pattern, definitely go short. Not gonna say too long if we break this top part. Until we get above that 200-day moving average, we get a daily candle close above it, I wouldn't be thinking about it. I appreciate that, Hassan. I really do, my friend. And I appreciate the blessings. Checking out the weekly on Ethereum. Ooh, the 21 is getting, it already did. It crossed under the 200, so that's pretty bearish. We've still got a little bit more time for the actual death cross on the weekly, where the 50 would cross under the 200 week. We got a lot more time than Bitcoin. Bitcoin was over in February. I think this will be a lot longer. Yeah, see, I can't even, that's not even going to be even close to being accurate, but May-ish maybe. That was a really crappy line I drew right there. Erase. There we go. Just like the daily, how it had the 21 and 50, or no, the daily had the 200 moving average sitting there as resistance at the top of the box. Here on the weekly, you have the same thing. You got the 200 week and the 21 week. So pop up there to that 1366 is even, even clearer that it's probably going to reject there. Getting back above that 200 is going to be pretty rough. It's not very often that Ethereum or Bitcoin has ever traded under the 200 week. We've been under it for quite a while now, so definitely is a significant place of resistance for Ethereum. And as you guys can see on the weekly too, another humongous bear flag. Humongous. So be watching for the breakdowns. And these little pumps, I don't think they will amount to anything. We got all kinds of moving averages and resistance in the way on both Bitcoin and Ethereum. I have not looked at the yearly Ethereum chart, so whatever we see is going to be new to me as well. See if it did a bearish engulfing candle. And no, it did not. Ethereum did not print a bearish engulfing candle. As you guys can see, the body of this candle is not bigger than the body of this candle. This candle cannot eat this candle. So this is not a bearish engulfing candle. So interesting events, interesting things in the candles. It's weird that Bitcoin printed it, but Ethereum did not. It's pretty major on the yearly time frame. So we shall see. Maybe Ethereum will completely decouple, which I think it should anyway. I think Ethereum should be like, $5 or $10. There's so many better things out there, so many other options to go to other than Ethereum. Yes, let's take a look at the Lizard Litecoin. Wow, look at that yearly candle. Holy crap. 412 ramp all the way down to 143. Yeah, it definitely has been. And that was, everything wrapped around the merge and all that good stuff. Which still, man, I don't get it. I don't get it. It did nothing. The merge did nothing, really. Helped on the footprint, the carbon footprint, maybe a little bit. But most of the miners just started mining something different. You know what I mean? The hash went somewhere else. It's not like it all just disappeared. It went somewhere else. Ethereum still costs $30 to move $5 worth of assets. It's ridiculous. I hate it. Oh, dang, what kind of nonsense we got going on here? The daily on Litecoin. Litecoin has been making moves here the last couple weeks. You can see that we are overextended. It is in the overbought area, so it's going to be looking for that cool down period. Right now, it's actually printing some very healthy patterns here, so get rid of some of this crayon crap. So this was a bull flag right here that didn't play out. We dumped, did a nice Bart Simpson, and you're going to see this a lot more in bear markets, right? If we do print these bull market set or these bull flag setups in a bear market, they're not as strong. In a bear market, you're gonna see these Barts, is what we call them, Bart Simpson head, right? Looks exactly like a Bart Simpson head. Batman, whatever you want to say, right? Bart Simpson would have had a couple more spikes in there, but you guys get what I'm saying, right? You're going to see a lot more of these. So when you see these bull flags, don't get super excited and think that it's going to pop up again. The chances of it popping up are higher, but you got to be ready for both ups and downs. Definitely got to be using the stop loss. Because like right here, you know, right underneath of it, we printed a bear flag, and then it popped up. So complete opposite things happening with Litecoin. Bull flag it dumps, bear flag it pumps. I know it's freaking wacky and crazy. It's the dumbest thing. But Litecoin, man, is weird. Litecoin is known for the layers of support and resistance. I mean, it's riddled throughout the chart of just areas. So, I mean, that's why it has all these small moves. You know, like a $60 to $70 is, you know, a 30-40% move on Litecoin because of how everything is layered up. Grayscale on that discount. I seen that post, right? What up, nerd? The premiums have went way down. Way down. Litecoin is doing another bull flag type formation, so be careful here when trading this. Be watching for it to Bart Simpson out on you and fall back down to the 71, even down here to that 68. So when we drew this breakout pattern in last week, I drew this in for you, told you guys to put it on your chart. So played out perfect, right? We break the pattern, you take your buy right here. So you would have bought right here, and you're putting your stop loss back inside of the pattern somewheres. Now, what we want to see happen is support being made, right? So we're hitting resistance right through here. We need to come back down. We got to respect off 71.72. Has to hold off 71.72. If it does, and we respect 71.72 as support, be looking to take on that area of 75. We'll probably break up above 75. Once we're above 75, we got to come back down and test as support and respect. So daily candle, 2 daily candles closing above $75 is going to be good for the next run up again. And once we get above 75, you know, you got pretty good areas like 70 to 80, and 80 up to all the way to almost 100 gaps in there where you don't have as much resistance. But I would be careful with this. We are overextended. It is overbought, so it's going to be looking for a cool off to cool back down and drop. Be looking for that drop, like I said, down to the 71, 72 mark. It would need to hold there. You don't want to see it come back down inside of the pattern. The pattern is the last ditch effort. It's got to hold support off that pattern at $68, $69. If it breaks back into inside of this pattern, it will go all the way through it. So, damn it. So if price does break down through the 50-day, comes down into the pattern, it's going to go all the way through and probably tap down there to $60 right on that 200-day moving average. Yeah, Litecoin miners hodl. Litecoin's way better than Ethereum. I know that. Even though nobody's doing anything with Litecoin and the devs are pretty quiet, who cares, right? As long as I can move a decent chunk of money for super cheap and super freaking fast, who cares what they're doing? Yo, what up, Wheeling Crypto? I'm here and wanted to let you know I will be up and running here next week. Bought a new Mobo after 6 months downtime. Yeah, I hear you, buddy. I'm still down. I actually salvaged some parts off my rig and threw into my boy's gaming computer that I am building him. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing. What kind of Mobo did you get? I got me a good deal. I just bought a 2070 Super for $100. So I jumped right on it. Still looking for a 2080 Ti for that, right? That'd be awesome. $100 2080 Ti. Shoot. I'm going to take a look at the yearly candle on Litecoin and see what happened. What did it print? Bearish engulfing. This body is bigger than this body. So yes, bearish engulfing. First one in Litecoin's history. Check out the weekly. Oh dang, look at that, you guys, hitting that 50-week moving average as resistance right now. It did break up above it a little bit, but we are still under the 50-week moving average. Ooh. Okay, so we definitely want to see it get above $76 and close. If it can get up above $76 and close on the weekly, that'd be pretty bullish for it to go to that next area like we talked about. Now we do have 3 days, 22 hours left in that daily candle, or weekly candle, I'm sorry. Looking down here at the oscillator, we are curling back up to the overextended where we're going to be overbought. We're not quite in the area, but we are super, super close. So even higher chances of rejection here are pretty big. Now, back in October, it had a death cross on the weekly. Right, Gundy? That's what I try to do, man. I try to, it's that way people know I kind of know what I'm talking about a little bit. Whatever we're drawing on here, try to leave it for the next video, and that way we know if I totally bombed it or if we got somewhere close, you know? Confirmations, it's all about them. Gotta have them, very important. And there can be a million different ways you confirm things, whether it be closing candles, whether it be certain things on your oscillators, doing different things, like the RSI, stochastic RSI. Our confirmation is when we break the 20, and if we're on the top side of it, then when we break back below the 40. I know, no good meow coin charts, man, unless you go to an actual exchange and log in. I've been watching it. Actually, I haven't been watching the price so much because my miner's been down. But I wonder what it is at. I'll have to look at my bag. I got quite a bit. I was solo mining for weeks there, man, and I was hitting like 3-4 blocks a day for quite a while. I'll get it back up and running eventually here. I just wanted to get this computer built for my boy. I got it all built, but every time I turn it on, it'll like turn on and run for, 2 minutes, and then it starts power cycling. Meow rug, pull rug. Oh, that wouldn't surprise me. That's why, you got to get into these things and get out. Never, ever try to invest. When you hear me say that I'm buying anything or I'm mining this or I'm mining that, it's purely because I think I can make a quick dollar off of it. It is not because I believe in them or I'm a fanboy or I totally agree with the stuff that they're doing. It's none of that at all. None of that at all. If I'm doing anything, it's because I think I can make a dollar. Now, mind you, there are things like Bitcoin and stuff that I'm partial to and a fanboy of, but you're not gonna hear me like super promote one individual coin, right? Like I like Energy, NRG. It's a good token. I like Bitcoin. I like Litecoin. Pretty vocal about how I feel about ETH. Oh, I already have NRG pulled up here. Let's look at it. So if we go over, grab the link. I think should be logged in still. Yeah. Go sign up for this, you guys. You do not want to miss the airdrop. If you've used Uniswap at all, I do believe that you will be eligible if you are holding NRG. So Diamond Hands NRG, the more NRG you hold, the more of this airdrop that you are going to get. And there's all kinds of different social media things and tasks that you can do to earn the GMI. So definitely get in on this. You can go here to the claims token. I got some I could probably claim. I will post this link also. I post the referral link, but if you don't want to click on the referral link and you just want to come over and just look at it, it'd be super cool of you to use my link, but you don't have to. If you guys want, we can make a thread. You guys get, you sign up and then bring your link over to the Discord and post your link so somebody else can use your link and, do it that way. And everybody use everybody's. That way everybody gets a bonus. Like I said, NRG has partnered with these guys, and NRG was one of the biggest airdrops that I've ever participated in. It was over $1,200 I got. 600 in 2 different wallets. So it's pretty legit. Occasionally I'll go in here and chart NRG token for the guys over in the Energy Discord, and this is one that I posted for them a while back. And while we're thinking about it, we'll just go over to their Discord and we will invite, I think. Can I invite? Yep. Copy. Paste. You guys can see the links that I'm posting, right? What up, Little Time Mining? How you doing, buddy? You guys join the DCA Discord and you come over here to the Trading with the View open to the public channel, and you scroll up a little bit, you'll see Little Time posting all these good TA charts in here. Look at this. He's even got where to take profit, safe take profit. He's got it all labeled here. Looks pretty dang good. I like it. Look at his stuff every day. Yep, doing well, man. Same with you. Battling a little vertigo again. Seems like once or twice every couple months I get it. Ooh, look at the grayscale premiums. Holy shit. Down 51%, 57%, 45%. Chainlink is up 24%. Filecoin is up 108%. Holy crap. Stellar Lumen's down 22. 47% on Zcash. Bitcoin Cash is 57. Regular Bitcoin is down 45, so that's... that is pretty good. Get you some lemon water and a shot of shine. Yeah, I did not. I don't think I have anything in my Sol wallets, but yeah, Bonk coin. Holy crap. I know Mikkel posted about it. He had gotten a ton of it and sold way too early. I know he's sick right now. He's got to be sick right now. I mean, like, that'd have been life-changing if he'd held on to that. Yeah, I got some shine, little time. Dude, I've tried everything. I can't get rid of it. It sucks. I think, yep, I have Bonk pulled up here. So Bonk spiked. This is on the hourly, right? Because there's not very much data. I've went through and tried to find everything that TradingView had, and this is the most TradingView had. Now I'm sure I could go to like PooCoin or somewhere else and get a more in-depth chart, but this is pretty new, right? Like, they just went live, correct? So everybody might be on the same type of data set that we got here, but I mean, it spiked up just in this 1 hourly candle. It spiked up 1,450%. It's insane. It's insane. See, let's go down to like a 5-minute time frame. See what we got going on. Wow, it's a very volatile, very volatile. Now see, if you have this handy dandy DCA script right here, this oscillator, these tops help you in trading these time frames. So like when we top way out up here and you see that orange momentum wave, see how hard it clips off into the dark blue, like super hard drops off. That's when you're taking your trade. That's when your confirmation comes. So again, we're up here way overextended on a 5-minute chart. Sorry, wife and kids just barged in here. With the USB miners, within a few hours, difficulty shot up. Oh man, so you can mine this thing with the USB miners, huh? Dang. It's interesting. What's the purpose of this coin? What do they do, or what are they trying to do? Soul trying really hard to create a SHIB. Dang, that's awesome, little time. I mined 148 Lend coin with those SHA-256 miners. The coin released a new core wallet and forbid us getting all the blocks. How dare they? It's forked from Namecoin. Ah, nice. Just be safe with this thing till she levels out and finds steady ground, right? It's pretty volatile, and man, you would have figured it would dumped pretty hard with the amount of tokens that people are receiving in the airdrops. Like I said, Mikkel got quite a bit, so I couldn't imagine that. You know what I mean? People get millions of these things. Dang. Go ahead and take a look at Sol. SOL on the daily jumped up above the 50-day moving average. We did get 2 daily closes above the 50, so that's looking pretty dang good. Pretty dang good. So it's probably going to take a jump up here to the 26. Let's see if we see anything over here. So we got resistance right around the 1350 to 1550. So if we get above 1550, you guys, and we get a couple daily closing candles, the next shot we're going to be looking for 18 to 20. So it's going to be, we're going to be getting it on SOL. And you can see that we were way down here in the oversold. Boom, got the buy signal, and we start making our way up. Momentum is still halfway, so chances are that it closes above the 50 and keeps going are very, very good. Very good. Take a look at Lynn, this one, Lynn C, Lynn Classic maybe. Well, guys, I have to jump off of here. My wife needs my assistance. Yeah, I don't think it is. I'll try to look for a different place to look at a chart, and I'll post it over in the Discord. Or if you find one, tag me in it so I can look at it. Mining pool streams, gotcha. Algo. I like Algo. Oh yeah, she's moving too. I think we longed Algo back here at the support area. I'm almost certain we did. We're still in the trade. Yep. Down 31 or $32. We're down 190 on Crow. We was down way more than that, and this was like 3 weeks ago we entered these trades. But yeah. So the place to beat for Algo is 21 cents. Probably reject there. If it doesn't get above 21 cents, yeah, it's got all kinds of resistance. So 21 cents is going to be the area. If it does get above 21 and closes, I don't think it'll go much higher. It's going to run right into the next area at 23. So be looking for rejections there, you guys, on that one. And then we'll look Gala real quick, and then I gotta jump off here. The wife and daughter are going at it. Ooh, Gala on the daily hitting off that 21-day moving average. Did have a V-shaped recovery though. Usually these V-shapes rocket, they run. But we are hitting that 21-day moving average as resistance right around 0.0182. Man, that's pretty cheap for Gala in my opinion. Pretty cheap. Next significant big area is not until, a little over almost 2.5 cents. You have that 50-day right there at 0.22. That might hang you up a little bit, but I bet you we'll see a nice wick up here to that 2.5 cents. Breaking nails and pulling. I know, right? Jesus Christ. All right, you guys. I hope everybody has a good night. I hope you all had a good holiday. If you guys want something else charted, throw it up in the Discord. Join Discord in the description below. And then just go into Trading with a View and post what you want charted, and I will get on there and throw up a chart for you. Again, join DCA Patreon group if you're interested in the Signal channel and all the tools that I'm using. You guys can get all of those. With that being said, y'all, I hope you have a good night. Keep stacking them sats. Keep your head on a swivel. Remember, we're not getting excited about these pumps. We're not getting excited. We've got quite a while. But y'all have a good night, and on the next one.